Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to a Olympiad math topic triangle, in which the question says is, in the given figure, if PA equals to PD and PB equals to PC, then triangle PAB is congruent to. So you can see the figure here. You can see in this figure PA is equal to PD. It means this PA, this line is equal to, in these two triangles. In this figure you can see easily there are two triangles PCD and PAB. Okay, so in these two triangles you can see, given that PA equals to PD and PB equals to PC, PA equals to PD and next is the PB equals to PC. Okay, then we need to find PAB. PAB congruent to, this triangle is congruent to something, another triangle. So you can write the name of the triangle. So there are four options, 1 2 3 4. So we can solve this question. How to solve these two questions? First of all, we'll take the two triangles. The two triangles are in triangle PDC and triangle PAB. PDC and PAB. These two triangles, what are the given parts? Given parts are PA equals to PD and PB equals to PC. These two things are given. So we will write in a bracket, it is given part. And the next is one more thing. If you prove the one more thing, so we will apply a particular criteria and these two triangles are congruent to each other. So for this, you can see this angle to this angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. So can we write these? CPD is equals to BPA. CPD equals to BPA. These two triangles are vertically opposite angle. The short form of vertically opposite angle is VOA. So by this angle, this one is the given part. By this angle, you can see here we are using the criteria of by SAS congruency. This congruency we are using here, this criteria we are using here, so that these two triangles are congruent triangle. So the given triangle is PAB. So can we write this PAB is congruent to another triangle PDC. So where is the PDC? The A option. A option is the correct. Triangle PDC. So hope you have understood this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.